20. Of course it's street legal, but this is a tripping bike. Look at all the modifications. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am at Tirumala pit stop in Santosh, and behind me there is this bike Pulsar 220 which is highly modified. Hold on one second guys. Right now in front of me I have a Pulsar 220. Of course it's street legal, but this is a tripping bike. Look at all the modifications. As far as I know, this is an R15 version 3's part, and this is an Pulsar 200 MS aftermarket mudguard, fog lamps, and look at this bike, completely highly modified bike. Even the wheel rim is having a rim tape, India flag everywhere, almost everywhere, and mobile holder in the mirrors. Number plate very well visible. Completely what I can tell you. And I spoke to the guy. This guy was in the Deaf Motorcycles group, and I must really appreciate him. We think twice or thrice to go to Leh Ladakh sometimes, but this guy, I have never been to Leh Ladakh, but this guy has been to Leh Ladakh several times, and 17,800 kilometers in 41 days is his record, which has come in the newspaper as well. Muthu Kumar is his name. I have his Facebook page with me. I'll post his Facebook in the description below, and look at everything on this bike. And believe it or not, he has made this in Coimbatore, and the amount of expense which has happened for this bike is 10,000 rupees. Believe it or not, 10,000 rupees only. It has some LEDs over here and there as well, and a compass here, and then Govinda Swami idol, tank sticker, tank cap sticker, everything else. Look at this, the rigidness of this thing, the antenna as well, he has removed it, the luggage carrier, even the saddlebags carrier. Oh my god, this is completely crash proof bike. And what else can you say? Here he is Muthu Kumar. He's showing his odometer, 1,28,689 kilometers. I really very much appreciate Muthu Kumar, and let me take the photo of him. Now he's off. See you. Very good meeting you. All the best. He loves traveling. I wish you all the best. Okay. See you, Muthu Kumar. So inspirational video. Oh my god. Yen bro, ಏನಂತೀರಾ bro? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ಸಲನೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಲೇಹದಾಗಿಗೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರ ನೋಡಿ. ವಾ, ಏನಂತೀರಾ? Hats off bro ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Hats off to you guys. Hats off.
I live inside my own world of make